I'm very happy to be standing in one of the renovated rooms here at the Teachers Lounge at the Brooklyn High campus. Very well furnished and put together.
Today we're going to be going over our new bathrooms. They have installed a new counter, a new sink, a new cabinet under the sink. They fixed the leaks from under the counter. They added a new paper towel system. They added the new stalls with a toilet seat cover, as you can see, disposable. They reopened this stall. The stall used to be out of maintenance. This is now reopened. They added new lights and new urinals. Overall, they did a complete makeover over the bathrooms. This was our tour.
What I noticed the most about this new bathroom is definitely the walls. Look at this. And luxurious mirror. The sinks. Do you see this, guys? And these, oh my gosh, so tea. And of course, we got the bathrooms. No words can express. Do you see this? The toilets, they look amazing. Just everything about this, and the lights. Lights are tea.
We are excited about our home ec lab. The principal, he wanted a state-of-the-art lab. And I think we are almost there. As the students may tell you, we had a portable sink, but now we have a real sink with running water, and we are so happy about that.
Personally, me, when I see this new environment, I get more motivated to cook or clean or do anything that is required in home economics. I hope that other students also appreciate and will maintain the environment while also feeling motivated to do their best.
These renovations were inspired to create a more modern, inclusive, and engaging learning environment where students can strive and they can be successful.
And that would mean quite a lot for the future of this school. This being our only high school here in the Brooklyn area, I know that when parents come and see the work that was done, they will definitely like to have their children in a school that promotes Christian education, not just for time, but indeed for eternity.